first equation of motion. Body with initial velocity mass m and final velocity with mass m and its distance s, and we need to find for first equation we need to find acceleration. Is equal to change in velocity by time. Change in velocity gives v minus u by t, a, so that we can cross multiply. At equal to v minus u, at minus u equal to v. So v equal to u plus at. We got the first equation. And for the second equation, we can do the same one. We can have the same diagram, and we can use we should use the displacement. Displacement equal to average velocity into time, so that average velocity equal to initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. So initial velocity is u plus v by 2 into t, the time. So we have derived the equation v equal to u plus at, so that we can even substitute here. So u plus at, we substitute this formula at and by 2 into t. So we need to multiply ut plus, so first we need to multiply 2u plus at by 2 into t, so that 2ut plus at square by 2, so that we can even do ut by 2 plus at square by 2. So 2 gets cancelled and it remains ut plus half. This one will be the unit. We can even split that. So half at square is the answer. It's the second equation. We need to get the third equation. So that third equation is something different from this. We can derive from the second equation or the first equation. Third equation can be derived. So third equation is v equal to u plus at. We know that. And before from the first equation, we know that displacement equal to u plus v by 2 into t. So that we should not use this formula to get that equation. So from this, we need to use this one. It's this part, and we can write as v minus u by t equal to t. That's all it. We have derived and we got the t and value. We can use the first equation. So as this one, s equal to u v u into t, so that u plus v by 2 into t is this value, v minus u by t. We know that s square plus v minus 2, s square minus v square by u. Sorry. So we can rewrite like this. So yes, displacement s equal to v square minus, so s equal to v square minus u square by 2a. So 2a is equal to v square minus u square. Hence true. Let's finish. Okay. It's finished. It's finished. Right,